this is what we're feeding Sky. It's his favorite. Try na rin siya ng Cerelac, pero ang hirap niyang pakainin sa Cerelac. Ito talaga ang gusto niya. Egg. How do we cook the egg? Scrambled, sunny side up. Boiled egg. Scrambled egg with pork and beans, with onion leeks, with bombay.
With onion leeks, that's my most favorite.
Really? Coco and Baby Sky are having their afternoon nap. Kaya may time akong mag-wrap ng gift for my hubby, Marjun. Kasi tomorrow ang birthday ni hubby. So I decided to wrap my gift for him. So ano ba ang mga bagay na nakakalimutan niya? Wedding anniversary, nakakalimutan niya. Ang birthday ko, nakakalimutan niya. Kidding aside, ang ibig kong sabihin is, ano ang mga bagay na nakakalimutan niyang bilhin para sa kanyang sarili. Ang first talagang naisip kong bilhin para sa kanyang sarili is, so, this is my gift for him. TMI, pero ang parati niyang nalilimutan na bilhin para sa kanyang sarili, first ito, brief. Next, socks. Butas na doon pa siya bibili. Third, I can think about belt. Yung tuklap-tuklap na ang leather, doon pa siya bibili ng belt for himself. Ano pa ba? Wallet. Yan. Pangmatagalan talaga ang kanyang wallet. Yung nakikita mo, oh my God, parang lata in Bisaya. Lata na ang kanyang wallet, doon pa siya bibili. So, hindi talaga siya maluho. That is what I like about him. Kasi opposite kami. Kaya nga opposite attracts. And I'm gonna wrap this with Hello Kitty. Halata ba na from me talaga? Kasi kikay na kikay, Hello Kitty. Masyadong magaling mag-wrap ng gifts. Actually, si Marjun talaga ang magaling mag-wrap ng gifts. Minsan nga nagagalit siya sa akin. Bakit? Tinitig Dan, quick fact, ang tawagan namin ng aking husband is Nika. Baliktarin ninyo. It means akin. Happy birthday, Nika. I love you.
It's my chicken wings. Yummy, yummy chicken wings. Open it.
Nachos. Chicken wings. Chicken wing, beef kesa. This is the beef kesa.
I can see rice. Oh my God. Wow.
And
Sesame.
wow!
God. I will eat it all.
Share.
Yes, I know.
This is ours.
Ours. Sorry.
It's time to eat. Yummy.
Lamig tayo.
What did you say?
Lamig tayo.
Lami kaayo. He's eating snacks while drinking milk.
It's night time, guys. We're gonna sleep now. Don't forget to pray. First time eating snacks. While eating snacks, I will read with mommy question.
We're going to do this before sleeping. Guess who is driving this sleigh?
Santa Claus.
Like this, so for example, who is driving this sleigh? So he needs to answer it, and the answer is here on the next page. Next. What letter is this?
A. A for alligator.
Very good. machine is Daddy Mouse using?
Vacuum cleaner or cleaner.
Okay, very good, correct.
Other.